Welcome to another great video about blissful waterfront and boating adventures in Fort Myers Beach, Florida. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon before you go on this amazing journey. Located on Florida's scenic Gulf Coast, Fort Myers Beach attracts water sports enthusiasts with its pristine shores, azure waters, and a variety of exciting activities. Among them, boating and waterside facilities occupy top positions, offering visitors an unforgettable experience in the splendor of this tropical paradise. Boating along the shimmering waters of Fort Myers Beach is a quintessential experience that encapsulates the essence of leisure and adventure. Whether you're cruising on a luxurious yacht, navigating a sleek sailboat, or riding the waves on a jet ski, the expansive waters provide the perfect playground for maritime adventures. From serene sunset cruises to thrilling offshore excursions, there's something for every seafarer to indulge in. For those seeking a more laid-back aquatic experience, the beach's calm and gentle waves invite playful frolicking and swimming. Families can delight in building sandcastles while children splash joyfully in the shallows, creating cherished memories against the backdrop of the Gulf's tranquil beauty. With its powdery white sands and temperate climate, Fort Myers Beach offers an idyllic setting for soaking up the sun and reveling in the simple pleasures of beachside bliss. So, guys, if you want to make your day fun, then Fort Myers Beach is waiting for you. If you like more amazing beach videos, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button.